Welcome back to Sharingtools. In this video, we'll dive into Hybrid Pro's Mass Actions, a powerful tool designed to maximize your Instagram engagement with smart automation strategies. We'll walk through every feature, explain how to enable each action, and share our recommended settings for both API and Hybrid Pro modes. Remember, enabling actions is optional. Use only what fits your strategy. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Mass Actions panel. This feature allows you to automate various interactions on Instagram, including follows, likes, comments, and more. A quick note. Using high-speed settings can trigger a 24-hour action block from Instagram. To help you avoid this, there's a helpful feature called the Prorate algorithm for speed settings. When enabled, the Prorate algorithm gradually increases your speed. It starts from 10% of your selected speed and increases by 10% daily until it reaches 100%. This feature helps warm up your account and reduces the risk of Instagram restrictions. Before we dive into each action, here are our recommended mass action values for both API and Hybrid Pro modes. API mode recommendations: follow, 100 per day; like, 150 per day; comment, like, 100 per day; comment, 30 per day; unfollow, 100 per day; timeline likes, enabled Hybrid Pro mode; recommendations: follow, 200 per day; like, 250 per day; comment, like, 200 per day; comment, 150 per day; unfollow, 200 per day. These settings ensure optimal performance without risking action blocks. Let's start with the follow settings. Enable the follow action and set the speed. For Hybrid Pro, we recommend 200 follows per day, while the API limit is safer at 100 follows per day. Next, configure your unfollow settings. Set the speed to 200 unfollows per day for Hybrid Pro or 100 unfollows per day for API mode. You can also choose to skip users who follow you back and set the interval for unfollowing, like every 2 days. Now let's set up likes. Enable the like feature and choose how many posts to like per user. We recommend liking the last post of each user for natural engagement. For speed, set up to 250 likes per day with Hybrid Pro and 150 likes per day on API mode. For comment likes, enable the setting and set the interaction frequency to once every 30 days. Hybrid Pro can handle 200 comment likes per day, while the API mode is capped at 100 comment likes per day. Moving on to the comment feature, enable comments and set the frequency to interact with the same user once every 30 days. Recommended speed: 150 comments per day for Hybrid Pro and 30 comments per day for API mode. You can also personalize your comments using variables like username for their username, full name for their full name, first name for their first name. Use emojis or short messages to keep your interactions friendly and engaging. For example, don't forget to enable timeline likes for additional post engagement. This feature allows you to like posts directly from your feed, boosting your visibility among your followers. And that's it. You're now ready to supercharge your Instagram growth using Hybrid Pro's mass actions on Sharingtools. Remember, all actions are optional. Customize the settings to suit your strategy and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and growth tips. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.